over. All right, guys, we just got to Glamis, but I'm a little bummed because we heard Ibexx is here and they got around 500 horse, and my O2 sensor has gone bad. So I only probably got about 400 horse. So I'm pretty sure Ibexx is gonna smoke me down tonight, but we'll see. But if little Whitey can't get him, I think Sean's car. Sean will walk my car at 500. So I'm pretty sure Sean will be a really good close match to him. And if he can't get him, we got backup over there. Homeskilled over there would walk Sean. So I guess I'll be the guinea pig. I got the slow car and I'll run them, and if they smoke me down, we'll just see what they match up against. You know, I like to see what cars match up against. It's really hard to tell what, you know, some people go off of crank, some people go off of wheel, some just smack the dyno hard, and so you don't really know. You never know what's going on, so I just like to truly race. I hope they're out there. Really cool crew out there, I'm sure. So.
My game is wide, all names aside, trying to stay alive. Double hard in
Let's do them all. That's good stuff. Let's go. Hey, man, he wants to run the two-seater. You want to run the four-seater? You want to run them? All right, good. Let's do them all. That's good stuff. Let's go. Hey, man, he wants to run the four-seater too. Hey, he wants to run the two. He wants the four. Hey, do you want some too? You want in on the run? All right. He wants another two-seater. Let's go. Here's some. The fours or the fours got coming, so we'll let the 2s go, 4s go. Alright, no, no matter. Hey, we got 5 wide, 5 wide. And then you can run the 4. Or not. I don't know what happened right now. Hold on. Dan, you good? You got Motex on yours, right? 40 horse less than this. You did. It's on what? 58, 50, 50.
Cause of the price. I got the bike cause it's personal paradise. Like a gamble, yeah, I love rolling the fucking
dice. Break a leg, break a arm in the back of the bike.
Another great time out here at Glamis. These 3 cars just freaking rip.